and that is going to close that gap in our video. And ta-da, this is how you can actually do it. And then bring this back. Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to automatically jump cut your videos in Premiere Pro. Alright, first of all, please don't mind my hairstyle and my messy looking face, and it's all because that I have been exposed to coronavirus, and right now I'm just quarantined at home and I have nothing to do but making videos for you guys. So please don't mind me, and without any further ado, let's just get right into our topic. So, you know, the traditional way of jump cutting your videos can be really frustrating and very time wasting by going manually cutting your videos, and you just don't know where to cut, and then you do all of that stuff, and it's just so much time consuming. So what if I tell you that you can do all of that for free, and in 1 minute that you can take a 1 hour video long and just cut it? This is what I'm going to be talking about today. And by the way, you can do all of that also for paid, using paid plugins or tools on the internet. I'm not going to mention names, but if you want me to make videos about them, you can actually comment down below and I make a video. But they can be really expensive. But why not just do it for free? And this video is going to explain it. So without any further ado, let's just jump to Premiere Pro and show you how you do it. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so here I am in my Premiere Pro, and this is how it looks like. And I have got I have made a sample video. This is how it looks like. I have a lot of gaps in between. You see, like here one, here and there and there. And I'm going to show you how you can cut all of these gaps or cut these silences in your videos by cutting them. So I'm going to show you how to do that automatically. So first thing you want to do is you actually want to select this, and you want to go to File, and then you want to go to Export, and I want you to export that audio file out of your video. So you want to go on Select Waveform Audio, and then select anything here and where you want to save it. So let's just say Audition and export, or you want to make sure right here, okay, everything is fine. So you want to click on export, and it's not going to take so long because it's only the audio file. All right, so here is the exported audio that we have just exported out of Premiere Pro. So what I want you to do is I want you to open this audio file with Adobe Audition. So we go to Adobe Audition and open it up. Alright, so here we are in Adobe Audition. So I want you to drag and drop that audio file just like that. Alright, so here is the audio file we have got from Adobe Premiere Pro from this video. Alright, so what I wanted to do is I want to click on Window and click on Diagnostics. And this will open up right here. And what I want you to do is zoom in a little bit right there to any part of your videos of your audio where you have silences in between. And I want you to select some part of it, and then I want you to click on Find Levels. Or first of all, you want to go to Effects and select Delete Silence. And then just keep this preset. You can select default or custom, whatever. You just want to select, actually you just want to select this one right here, and then you want to click on Find Levels, and it's gonna find the levels of signals is below -52 dB, and right here these will adjust according to your microphone levels and the audio, the silence levels in your microphone and your environment. Okay, so this is what you want to do, and now I want you to click out of it anywhere right here, and then you want to click on Scan. And what's that gonna do is going to select the silences in your audio. So just like here, right, for example, this is one silence, this is another one, this is another one, and this is another one, and this is another one, and so on and so forth. So what you want to be tempting to do is to delete all, but that's what I don't want you to do. So what instead you want to do is you want to Control and A to select all, and then what you want to do is right click and click on Create Markers. So I want you to create markers right here, okay, and that is creating markers for your videos. Or wait, let me do that again. So yeah, you want to create markers. And what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and select markers from here, because we have created markers. And again, you want to select all, Control and A to select all. And then you want to go to change markers type to subclip. So this is what you want to do. And after you click on subclips, that's all you have to do for now. And then you want to go to File and you click on Save, or you can also do Control and S to save. So click Save, and then that's it for this one. So you want to exit out of Adobe Audition, and here is the Save Audition WAV file. So what you want to do right now is you actually want to go ahead and open up your media encoder. All right, so we're going to open up our Adobe Media Encoder because we want to create a video file with this audio file so that we can take it to Premiere Pro and use it as a video. All right, so what you want to do is double click here and select that WAV file we have just created. And then I want you to save that video in any type, maybe something like quick, where is it? So you can save it in presets of Apple ProRes 422 proxy. And also you want to make sure that you have the frame rate set right, matching your frame rate of your video. Okay, so if you don't know what's your video's frame rate, you can go back to your Adobe Premiere Pro and check it right from here. So if you don't know what your frame rates are, you can go to sequence, and then you can go to sequence settings, and this is your display format, or this is the frame rate you have in your video. So it is 23.976 frame rates per second. So we go back to our Adobe Media Encoder, and then we match the frame rates to the ones we have in our video. So it is 23.976. Okay, and also you want to go to your audio and make sure it is matching, whether it's a stereo or mono. So if it's mono, you select mono. If it's stereo, you keep it as stereo. And then you want to click OK, and that is it for now. And you click on render. All right, so it doesn't take so long. It's really quick to render. And that is it for now. We can exit out of our media encoder. So what I want you to do is you go back to your Adobe Premiere Pro, and then I want you to create a file or a new bin. You can call it subclip or anything you want, and then open it up just to keep everything organized and clean. And so what I want you to do now is, I want you to double click and select the audio in this way. Just follow everything I'm doing step by step. Please do not drag and drop, because if you drag and drop, it's not gonna do it like that. It's just gonna bring one video. Okay, so what you want to do is you select it within Premiere Pro without doing the drag and drop thing. Okay, so this is what you want to do, and this is the original audio video file. What you want to do, you can actually delete that. We don't need it. Oops, sorry. So you want to delete that, and here are the markers that we have created with all the silences inside. Okay, so what you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and select all. That is Control and A to select all, and then you want to go ahead to your clip, and then you want to click on create multi-camera source sequence. Okay, and from here you want to go ahead and select timecode and create single multicam source sequence. And from here you can select camera label or camera angle, whichever one is fine, but I normally go and select camera label. So then you want to go ahead and click on OK, and then you want to go that is going to create this sequence right here. And what you want to do, you want to click on Control, and so hold and click and hold Control, and then double click on it. All right, so that is going to open the audio file or the video with the markers in a new sequence. So what you want to do is you want to actually go ahead and select all, Control and A, and then Control and C to copy. So I want you to select all and copy. Okay, and then you want to go back to the original sequence of the video, and then Control and V to paste. Okay, so it is pasting all of these cuts inside. And what you can do is you can actually now go ahead and delete that file, these files right here. All right, so you can go ahead and delete them again. Yeah, so you go and delete them. It asks you if you really want to delete, and yes, you want to delete. And you see it has deleted all of these gaps, the silence gaps in our video. Okay, so what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead and select all, Control and A, and then you want to go to sequence and click on close gap. And that is going to close that gap in our video. And ta-da! This is how you can actually do it. And then bring this back, as well as our camera settings. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. Let's go. All right, so first of all, let me start. All right, so you can see that there is absolutely no silence in between. We have gotten rid of all of the silences in between. So this is how you do it, guys. All right, so this is how you actually cut the silences in between. So this is how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. And if you have any question, please leave them down below in the description. And if you don't know how to do it, I can make another video explaining more in depth, and I can actually talk about the paid versions of doing so, like by auto cutting your videos and stuff with paid versions. But this is absolutely free, so why not do it? And it is really, really easy. Just practice how to do it the first and second time, and then you will get the hang of it. So this is how you do it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Ali, and if you have any question, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I feel like I say that twice now. All right, so thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.